Hey brother, welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you again. What I'm going to do in today's video, I'm going to promote Clickbank offers for free that will help you to make over $90 per day. In this video, zero traffic, it's basically Clickbank for beginners. Following this very simple method, you can make up to $90 a day online. So before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe right now and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. I come out with videos daily where I will show you how to find a job online, how to make money online, how to start a business online, or how to get a job online, how to make money online through apps. Now let's get right into the video. I'm gonna show you in today's video how to affiliate marketing 2024. You can make up to $90 a day and earn money online using these strategies and much more. It's for beginners. These strategies are some of the best affiliate marketing. You don't need a YouTube channel or a blog website or anything like that, or any type of social media. I will show you how to get traffic to links and pretty good traffic to your links, to your specific links that will help you to make sales every single day. It's super simple that will help you to make money online. If you follow this strategy, you will earn a lot of money from it and you can make $90 per day, a lot of money doing it. So now I will show you exactly how you can do the same. So keep watching this video. Now, affiliate marketing for beginners, that's what we were talking about today. It's for beginners. Now I will teach you how you can get traffic to your links. It's very simple, and again, it's for beginners and you can do it without doing a lot of work. A lot of affiliate marketers have used it. So to learn about affiliate marketing and how much money you can make and to learn which potential links will work or what, it's very simple. It's very simple system that will help you to make money and you can do it. You can get started with 20 minutes of watching this video. So now the site that you are going to go to, a very simple site, is called Clickbank, and you can get started within 20 minutes of watching this video. You can do it pretty much after watching this video, so you can start your affiliate marketing journey here on the site that called Clickbank. Clickbank is one of the best sites out there to start earning money. They have good products in every niche. It's affiliate marketing journey. They have very good products that convert very well. There are other sites out there to start with, but this site is really good. It's affiliate marketing programs and you can make up to $90 per day. So now in the next video, I will show you Clickbank affiliate marketing strategies that will help you to start earning money online and earn up to $90 per day. That's at the end. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.